The grant is the Gilman Pioneering Institution grant. I thought this would be an interesting opportunity to get our welding students to get out and actually see what's going on in the real world. They're going to see all the advancements in some of these large-scale manufacturing companies. I think it's going to help them kind of narrow down their search as to what they might want to look into for careers. So we're going to go up around all the Great Lakes, and we're going to go up through Wisconsin, go through Canada, spend some time in Toronto, and then we're going to loop back through Michigan.
So we're going to go behind the scenes and see a lot of cool stuff. We're looking to book space in steel mills, shipyards, all those things you want to touch and do. It's nice to get the guys out in the field to see those things they've only heard about, read about, thought about, to actually meet welders in the field doing that kind of work they want to get into, given a chance to interact.